Nagaplano ang grupo namon nga mag-meeting tungod sa family planning. So it means our group is planning to have a meeting on family planning. Plano is nagaplano, and then a grupo is a group. Namon is like our, and then about, that's tungod. So nagaplano ang grupo namon nga mag-meeting tungod sa family planning. Gusto ka namon imbitahon maghambal parte sa family planning. So it means we would like to invite you to talk about family planning. So gusto is like imbitahon is to invite. Maghambal means to speak. Maghambal means to talk about the topic, which is family planning. So gusto ka namon imbitahon maghambal parte sa family planning. Malipay kami kung makakadto ka, or malipay kami kung pwede ka. So we will be honored, or we will be happy. It's mostly happy because like when we say lipay, it means happy. So we will be honored, or we will be happy if you accept the invitation, or if it's possible for you. So malipay kami kung makakadto ka, or malipay kami kung pwede ka. Sanday sino ang makadto sa meeting? So who will be at the meeting, or who will be the people attending the meeting? Sanday sino ang makadto sa meeting? May meeting ta sa Martes. So we will have a meeting on Tuesday. May meeting kita sa Martes, or may meeting ta sa Martes. Maayo tani kung ara ka. So it would be nice, or it would be great to have you there if you are around. Maayo tani kung ara ka. Parte sa family planning ang pagaistoryahan naton, or parte sa family planning ang paghahambalan naton. It means we will talk about family planning. So parte sa family planning ang pagaistoryahan naton, or parte sa family planning ang paghahambalan naton. Alas 8 sa aga masugod ang meeting. So the meeting will start at 8 a.m. Alas 8 sa aga masugod ang meeting. Maabot ang guest speaker sa ika 7:30 sang aga. So our guest speaker will arrive, or will be in at 7:30. So maabot ang guest speaker alas 7:30 or 7:30 sang aga. Mas maayo nga ato ta didto antes mag-abot ang guest speaker. So it would be nice, it would be great if we are there before the guest speaker arrives. Mas maayo nga ato ta didto antes mag-abot ang guest speaker. Makadto ka? Will you be able to come? Makadto ka? Makita ay ta didto. I'll see you there. Makita ay ta didto, or makita ay kita didto. Hulaton ta ka didto. Hulaton ta ka didto, or hulaton kita didto. I'll be expecting you there. I'll be waiting for you there. Hulaton ta ka didto.